I'm telling you, I gotta get the fuck about this shit, man. Gotta go, shit be pressing me out sometimes.
Fresh from the game, most nights don't sleep. 3 a.m. catch me on the beat. Don't work, don't eat, as to go to the streets. All money ain't good, everything ain't sweet. This is myself from the heat, don't need the drama. 2007 niggas a snitch on they mama. Steal from a brother and kill this man, so I watch everybody the same. I ain't got no friends. For the love of the end, shit ain't no limit. Making moves with the rude boy, far from timid. One bad decision and they talk to kids. Now do I wanna pay the price of street luxuries? Even a blind man can see this shit ain't right. 36 months for an ounce of white. Soon as a nigga get right, search once on sight. Trying to return the slave days to a nigga's fight, and that's real.
Now see, as soon as I do something over, police come. They don't want a nigga to do nothing, but I'ma do me regardless. I don't care. Ain't nobody stopping me. Y'all gon' come enjoy my big house when I get it, nigga. That's what we gon' do. The game, my niggas. I see y'all want me to down here.
Politicians, guns, and drugs revolve around full of staking currency is power. You can lose it or blink. Let me tell you a little something, fam. Shit do stink. Snitching is a disease to the criminal leak. One leak in the buzz, come tracking the steps. Turn down the glitch in the lens to the road of wealth. Nah, ain't none, bitch. Go fuck yourself. Fuck the LBDPA and ATL. Grab a CD off the shelf. That's my product. The crack game still alive, and it just got hotter. From my tracks on this S high shit pop up. You break the packets like grits when the customer walk up. I can feel I got a switch. Good hear in your voice. The first so sick feeling you ain't got a choice. The hustler. And that's the hustler.
This crack. Go ahead and spin it, little daddy. For the third prize winner. When you gonna stop?
You didn't put them in there?
Come on, that was me.
Spin it again.
Spin it again. Alright, that's enough. Now pick somebody out, little daddy.
Pick somebody out, great nephew. Pick them out, great nephew.
Just grab one.
Grab one, great nephew.
What'd it say? Oh my goodness. Can anybody read this name?
Camille, Shamil, Shamal. Read off the ticket number.
Read
The
off.
ticket numbers 8356022. 835.
The last number
Yeah.
hold it now.
8356022.
Let me see.
Yes. You go get you some cool G. You know, with all that. Come on, let's do it again. The second prize winner wins 100 to go shopping.
Bobby. Go back, take our friend.
Smash off his truck.
That's Bobby. The address is on there. 83560.
What's the last two digits?
8356024. Thank you.
Okay, hold on.
And the next person wins 100 and a big face 100.
Okay.
So let me spin it. I got to find the big face. Y'all want 520s up? Or we gonna make sure you get it? Whatever. We gonna get you the 100 and the 100 to go shopping.
Shane, Clay.
That's baby shit I like.
Shane Clay.
Barbershop money back.
Shane
Game Clay.
Double up, barbershop.
What's up? 835 68. 835 6867.
3, 2, 1. Danger.
That's it. You're a winner. It's me.
Nigga, I want a free shape up, nigga.
Act like you happy to giving people that money. He happy. This boy was happy to be
Silly ass.
200, nigga.
And the grand prize winner. Good looking, baby boy. That's pimp shit. Spin it.
Big prize winners, Uncle Mark. Let's see, man.
Now, this is the winner to my round on 26s. And I did this for everybody who came out. And we gonna do this again because we gonna keep this moving. You know what I mean? Because this is real. Now who is it, little daddy?
Mark.
Steve Lucas.
Steve Lowe.
Steve Lowe.
Hey, I got my ticket. Oh my goodness. That ain't me. I was just playing.
What is 8356043?
There you go, big prize right there. You won right there.
Get you the keys, baby boy. I gotta get my stuff out, and you guys to, cause this is the first nigga who bought a CD from me.
Halfway Steve won.
Yes, sir. That's what's up. Hey, we gonna get the title. Hey, you gotta make sure you get that title about my name. Monday.
It'll be another raffle. That's some shit right there.
That nigga vibe.
I just gonna stand right there by that shit.
Hey, that motherfucker, I'm gonna get this motherfucking ass right there. See that nigga run off.
Happy 4th of July.
Yeah.
Venn Rocc the Hustler. Get back game. And it's official.
That shit was.
Hey, what up, boy? Is that a write-off thing? On the truck?
Fuck, I hope so.
I hear you.
What up, nigga? Huh?
What's happening, Venn Rocc the Hustle? We out here balling, man. Step away the truck, man. You know what I'm saying? The Dodge, man. It's going down for real, man. Show.
Tell them,
Solid
real
solid.
niggas do real shit, man.
Niggas do real shit, man.
Ride all night.
Huh?
You ready to ride all night?
Hey, nigga, I'll be riding all night, nigga. That's how I be in that motherfucker. That's why I had to get rid of it. Cause I wasn't doing nothing but riding fucking around. Time to get back to doing me.
I want that rain. I want it rain.
What's up, baby boy? You letting it? You letting? Man.
What?
That's what it do. That's real nigga shit, baby boy. Real nigga shit, man. You'll never catch another nigga.
This is Venn Rocc the Hustler, man. I'm ready to log out. You fake ass niggas who thought it wasn't real, man, y'all seen it, man, live on TV, man. Never been a faker, man. I always been a real nigga. And next time, man, make sure y'all get your tickets, man. You can win a car, man. $10 is not gonna kill you, man. It's just supporting what's going on in your area. And that's what it do.